Stripe Billing Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think subscriptions are simple, but you won't believe what happens next when failed payments start losing revenue. Stripe Billing is a subscription management system that helps businesses handle recurring payments, upgrades, downgrades, invoicing, and automated retries. The surprising truth about Stripe Billing is that it can automatically recover failed payments and reduce customer churn. Most people get this wrong. They underestimate billing complexity. Stripe Billing is best for SaaS companies and online memberships. The surprising truth is that smooth billing keeps customers longer. Subscribe for more honest payment software reviews that grow your business.